How to delete suggested on Messenger app. Hi there. Today, we'll learn how to delete your suggested people or contacts on your Messenger app. So, first, we open the Messenger app. For you to see the suggested people or contact, you just need to click on search and it automatically prompts you the suggested people that you can contact through the Messenger app. What we'll do is to delete the suggested people on your app. So what we do here is we need to make sure that the Messenger app is fully updated. You just need to go to your Play Store or App Store and search on Messenger. And as you can see on my end here, Messenger is currently up to date, so I can just automatically click on open. And for us to delete the suggested people, you just need to click on the menu bar and then go to settings. From settings, you just need to scroll down. On the bottom part, there's account center, and then just click on see more in account center. Then from there, you just need to click on your information and permissions, and then go to upload contacts, and then click on your profile under Messenger. From there, you will be able to see your phone contacts. You need to make sure that your upload contacts is turned off. If it's currently turned on, you just need to tap it in and then turn it off. And then once turned off, you just need to go to manage contacts. And then once you are directed to manage contacts page, you just need to click on delete all contacts. Once you click on it, your contacts has now been deleted for your Messenger app. What we do here to make sure that all your contacts has been deleted is go to your settings on your phone, go to app management, and then look for your Messenger app on the app list. And then once you are on the Messenger option or on your Messenger app, you just need to click on storage usage and make sure that you clear data and clear cache for your Messenger app. And that's it. You just need to close the app and reopen it. And then your suggested on Messenger app has now been deleted. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.